Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to get LinkedIn Top Voice Badge on mobile. So guys, in today's video, I will be discussing on how to get the Top Voice Badge. So this is a text presentation, so just simply follow along. So first thing that I will discuss is the two types of Top Voices badges. So guys, the first one is Community Top Voices. This is a gold badge that recognizes noteworthy contributors in specific skills, and we have the LinkedIn Top Voices. So this is an invitational only. And now let's discuss on how to earn a badge. So guys, just simply share high quality contributions with personal experiences, unique perspective, or professional opinions, and you can earn a badge for multiple skills, but only one will be displayed on your profile. And now let's discuss the badge duration. So guys, a badge will be active for 60 days only, and LinkedIn can remove the badge for copied or inappropriate or irrelevant content. So make sure you publish a high quality one that doesn't violate the LinkedIn policies. And next up is a badge visibility. So guys, badges appear on your profile next to your contributions, and you can hide your badge by editing your profile settings as well. And that's simply about it. In order for you to get Top Voice badge, just simply ensure your contributions are valuable and consistent to maintain it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.